Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 3 Maths, Chapter 7, Time Goes On. In this chapter, we are going to learn about time, clock, calendar. If you want to know the basics of time, clock and calendar, I have already posted a video explaining all the basic concepts, and also if you want to know in-depth knowledge about time, clock, calendar, you can go through that video. I'll give the link in the description box. Please go through that video so that it will be very easy for you to understand this chapter. Let's get into the chapter now. Ulta Pulta Time. This is a story with topsy-turvy time. As the sun sets, Sumana wakes up. What a lovely evening. She washes her face fast in 2 hours and runs out. She goes straight to the bird's nest. She has been watching the eggs for the last few months. She was waiting for the baby birds to come out, but before she can blink her eyes in a week, a cat jumps onto the tree. The mother bird cries loudly and Sumana rushes to shoo away the cat. As the cat jumps, it hits the big green mango dum. In 2 days, it is on the ground. Oh, how sad, the mango is still not fully ripe. It needed 1 more year to become sweet. Suddenly, Sumana's sister calls out, "Are you still not hungry? Has your stomach clock gone to sleep? Come and eat hot upma for dinner." So this was funny. You're going to choose the correct word from the box given below, and you're going to write next to the wrong word. Here few words are given: days, rises, seconds, morning, breakfast, moment, minutes, week. We'll see what needs to be written. As the sun sets, so Sumana wakes up. So when Sumana wakes up, it should be sun rises. What a lovely evening. So when sun rises, it is obviously morning. She washes her face fast. So how long it takes to wash a face? It takes only minutes. She has been watching the eggs for the last few days. It is not months. So how long it takes to blink eyes? It is a moment. In 2 seconds, it is on the ground. The mango still not fully ripe. It needed 1 more week. It takes only a week to get ripe. Then Sumana's sister calls out for a breakfast. So these are the correct words for the given wrong words, which are opposite. Okay, now let's discuss how long does it take. We know the time has seconds, minutes, hours. So each and every action will take particular time, whether it is seconds, minutes, or hours, or days, weeks, years. So have you seen someone knitting a sweater? So how long it takes to knit a sweater? It takes days to months. Or someone weaving a cloth, it takes few days. Do try to find out from a potter how long it takes to make a pot. So making a pot, it takes few hours. So how long it takes to take a bath? Maybe minutes. So we are going to make a table which takes minutes, which takes hours, which takes days. First we'll think of which can be done in minutes. Bath, so boiling milk, to make a soup, to get ready for a party, to complete an assignment, to eat an apple, we take minutes. Takes hours. What are all the actions that takes hours? To stitch a shirt, to set curd, a school day, to clean a house, to bake a cake, to paint a house. So these are the actions which takes days. To knit a sweater, to weave a sari, for a banana to become ripe, to build a hut, to grow a plant, to make furniture. So think of some other things, some faster and some slower. Make a long list. So takes seconds. To blink eyes. So here it takes seconds to blink eyes, to snap fingers, to gulp medicine, for a fruit to fall from a tree. So other things may be to take a snap, photograph a snap, or to throw a ball. It takes few seconds. Takes months. So which takes months? To grow wheat, to change from summer to winter, for a baby to come out of its mother's stomach, to build a house, it takes months. Next, clap, clap. Before you catch, play this game. Throw a stone into the air, clap once before you catch it. Now try to clap 2 times before the catch. Try more claps. How many times can you clap before you catch the stone? Clap 2 times and say 1, 2. Keep clapping 1, 2, 1, 2, or say ta ta ta. So you can make any sounds. So also stamp your feet left, right, left, right. And now clap 3 beats, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you can say ta ta toot. So you can say any word left, right, left, left. How many of you can speak and stamp at the same time? So this activity you can do on your own. So throwing a stone and then clapping, and you have to stamp your feet and then clap. Find out, have you heard people playing a tabla or the drums? Find out a few different beats they play. Also ask what bowls they say for the beats they play. So each and every instrument will have some beats. You can just explore the beat of tabla or drums. So bowl is nothing but the basic unit of music on tabla. Next, how old are we? Here they are discussing about the ages of a child, mother and grandmother. See, this is child, this is a mother, and this is grandmother. First, we'll check what is the child age today. So child age, let us assume that child age today is 8 and her mother's age today is 30 and her grandmother's age today is 60. So my mother's age when I was born, when she was born, her mother's age would be minus 8. So 30 minus 8 is 22. Then my mother's mother age when I was born is 60 minus 8. So that is 52. Where my mother's age when my mother was born. Sorry, mother's age, that is grandmother's age when her mother was born would be, so 60 minus 30. So 30 years before her mother would have born, and her grandmother's age would be 30. This is how you should calculate ages. First you should read the question properly and then you have to answer. Next, birth certificate. Look at the birth certificate of Brinsi. So this is a birth certificate given in Government of Kerala. We'll see what is given in the birth certificate. So it is given that is registered for the year of Kottayam Panchayat. The name of the child is Binsi Thomas Jacob. Sex is female. Date of birth is, they have written in numeric and they have also written in words. Place of birth, which hospital, and name of the father, name of mother, date of registration and registration number. So all these details will be there in the birth certificate. So you have to here this is the date in which it is issued. Here the signature of the issuing authority will be given. So we'll discuss about this birth certificate. 2/5/2002 shows that Binsi was born on 2nd May. How old will Binsi be on 2 May 2008? So 2008 minus 2002 would be, the answer would be 6 years. So you will get 6. So the answer is 6 years. How old will she be in the year 2052? So you have to minus 2052 minus 2002 equal to, the answer would be 50 years. On what date will she be 8 years old? Write in numbers. So you have to write, so here I'll write 2002 plus 8. The answer would be 2010. Yes. How many months old was Binzi on 2 August 2002? So May you all know. So Jan is 1, May is 5, and August is 8th month in the calendar. So if you subtract 8 minus 5, you will be getting the answer is 3. Okay. How many years old is Binsi now? Considering the present year is 2020, Binsi would be 18 years, because when you subtract 2020 minus 2002, the answer would be 18. After how many months of her birth was the certificate issued? So we'll check how many months later it was issued. So here it is 3 months 3 days. 3 months 3 days it was issued. What is the registration number of a certificate? This is the registration number of our certificate. Okay. So when were you born? So you can write your year of birth, write your date of birth in numbers. Do you have a birth certificate? Ask your parents and make one for yourself. Here you are going to write the form number, government of India or whichever country you are born, and the name, sex, male or female, date of birth. Suppose it is 5/5/2012. So you can write place of birth. So Delhi or Chennai. Hospital name you have to mention here. Name of your father, name of your mother, date of registration, when it was registered, and registration number. So here would be the issuing authority signature. So signature of some issuing authority would be given here. Next, this is a calendar. See the structure of the calendar. You all know that calendar has 12 months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And each month has 4 weeks. And each week has 7 days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we'll discuss in depth about calendar. Here you can see few months have 31 days, few months have 30 days. So which are all the months having 31 days, we'll just see. So this is 31, this is 31. Here it is 31, 31, 31, 31. So others are 30, here it is 28. We'll just discuss the questions from this calendar. Let us look at the calendar for the year 2006. So here the calendar is given. How many months does a year have? We all know that it is 12 months. List the months which have 30 days. See here which has 30 days is April, June, September, and November. List the months which have 31 days. So other than this, it is 7 months: January, March, May, July, August, October, December. So how many days does the month of February have? Here it is. Here it is given as 29 for 2020, but you have to write 28 for 2006. So this is what is given, is it? So here it is 28. How many days makes a week? So you all know that it is 7 days makes a week. How many weeks are there in July? So July it is 4 weeks. Is it true for all the months? Yes. In which month you can come to class 3? So some school starts by April, some school starts by June. You can write. Make a circle on these dates in the calendar. So you are going to make a circle on these dates in the calendar. So you should also specify the specialty of these dates. 26th January is Republic Day. 14th November is Children's Day. 31st December is New Year Day. So is there something special about these days? So that is what we discussed. Fill in the blanks with the correct year. So here we are going to consider 2020 as current year, and we are going to answer the following questions based on this assumption. Which year was it 2 years back? So 2 years back it would be 2018. In which year were you in class 2? So 1 year before would be 2019. Which year will be the next year? 2021. Which year will come after 3 years would be 2023. So 2 years back, when it is given back, you have to subtract. So next year meaning is you have to add 1 to the current year. So after 3 years will be you have to add 3 here. So this is how you should answer these questions. Next, which festival comes first? Here given below are the few festivals names. Name of the festival is given. Date is given. Look at the calendar to find the days in which these fall. So you're going to write the days in which it falls, like Wednesday, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday. So Diwali falls on Wednesday. So you're going to see the calendar and write this. So this is the easy activity. So January, Sunday, August, Sunday, October 2, Tuesday, November 21, Wednesday, August 25, Saturday, November 23, Friday, January 31 is Wednesday, December 25 is Tuesday, April 15 is Sunday. So you're going to see the calendar of 2016 and you're going to write the days for these festivals. Arrange the festivals in the order in which they come in the year. First you have to write which comes in January, then February, March, April, May, June. Then you are going to write July, August, September, October, November, December. So the answer would be first Pongal, then Guru Ravidas birthday which falls on February 13, then Miladi Nabi April 11, then Bihu April 14, Raksha Bandhan August 9, Onam September 5, Gandhi Jayanti October 2, Diwali October 21, Guru Nanak's birthday November 5, Christmas Day December 25. This is how you should write in order starting from January to December. Which festival comes in the beginning of the year? You all know it is Pongal. Which festival comes at the end of the year? It is Christmas Day. Calendar magic. Here is the calendar for the month of February 2007. Let us mark a square on the calendar and see some magic. See here, a square is made. Which is the number in the center of the square? You know it is 13. Join three numbers by drawing a line. The line must pass through the number at the center. So you're going to draw three lines. 1, 2. So you can make it this way, this way. So any lines which pass through the center. How many such lines can be drawn? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Add three numbers on the each of these lines. So you're going to add this cross. So here it is 5 plus 13 plus 21, the answer would be 39. Again, you are going to add 6 plus 13 plus 20. So first, being a third standard kid, you have to write 20, 13, 6. You have to add these two numbers, 9, 2 plus 1 is 3. So then you have to write the answer. Similarly, you have to add this cross and this cross. So when you add, you will be getting 39. Now look at the calendar of 2006. Also look for the present month and draw a similar square in your notebook. Does the magic work for this? You are going to do this activity. Is this magic possible for a 10 cross 10 number chart? Go to the chapter Fun with Numbers and check. We'll do this activity. See, I have taken the current month, September 2020. So when I make a box like this, so you have to draw lines here. So this cross and this cross, this cross and this cross. When you add all these things, you will be getting 48. The sum is same, that is 48. Now the magic works here well. So next we are going to do with 10 cross 10. This is 10 cross 10 box. So we are going to draw similar line. See here one line and here one line. Since we don't have center line, we are going to draw two lines in the center. Here also horizontally and vertically you are going to draw two lines. So when you add this line, you would be getting 505. How you have to add is 1 plus 12 plus 23 plus 34 plus 45 plus 56 plus 67 plus 78 plus 89 plus 100. When you add this all this, you will be getting 505. Again, when you add this part, so this part when you add, you will be getting 505. Now we are going to add the middle part. This middle part if you add, so here you have to add and make average. First add this 5 column and then add another 6 column. You are going to divide it by 2. So you will be getting the answer 505. Then you are going to do the same average method for this cross. 41 line and 51. So similarly you have to make average by 2. So when you add this, you will be getting one answer, say A. When you add this, you will be getting one answer B. So when you add this and divide it by 2, you will be getting 505. So thus the magic works here as well. Complete the calendar. For August 2006 is given. They have given incompleted one. You have to complete it. Start writing. You will be getting the answer something like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4 you have to fill. Easy, isn't it? This month starts from Wednesday. So it starts in Wednesday and ends in Friday. Color all the Sundays in red. So here you are going to color all the Sundays in red. On which day does this month end? So this month ends in Friday, that is 31. Write the number of days in this month is 31. What day is it on 13th August? So 13th August is Monday. What is the date on the second Saturday? Second Saturday, first Saturday, second Saturday. So it is 11th. Is the 21st a Sunday? See, 21st is Tuesday. So it is not. 21st is a Tuesday. What is the day on the 29th? So 29th is Wednesday. What will be the date on the same day next week? So next week when you do, so here it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next week would be 5th September. So it will be also Wednesday. How many Thursdays are there in this month? This month you have 5 Thursdays. So this is how you should answer when a month is given and a few questions were asked. So this is how you should see the month chart and answer the questions. Fill out which months in the calendar 2006 have 5 Sundays. So 5 Sundays is January, April, July, October and December. Or is there any other day in any month which comes 5 days? So all the 7 days are coming 5 times in different months in the year 2006. Can there be 6 Sundays in a month? Why? No, there cannot be 6 Sundays in a month because each month has 4 weeks in it and there will be 1 Sunday per week. So you can expect only 4 Sundays. So in rare cases you might expect 5 Sundays. 6 Sundays cannot be possible at all. Next, my timeline. So this is a timeline of a woman, Pedki Devi. She lives in a village in Dhanbad district, Jharkhand. So you're going to make a timeline for this woman. So we'll write the timeline here. I remember that when I was 5 years old. So she broke the fruit when she was 5 years old. I climbed a tree to eat the jamun fruit, but the branch broke and I fell down. My foot still hurts in winter. So while grazing our goats, we often got busy in playing. Once at the time of 10 years, I got big scolding. She got big scolding. At the age of 15 years, she got married. My husband was much older than me. My first daughter was born 3 years after her marriage. So first daughter was born and 3 years after marriage would be 18. Later, she had 3 more children at second children was born on 20, third is 22 and fourth is 24. So time passed very fast. Then I was busy with my farm housework and looking after my animals. But at the age of 35 years, my world came to a stop. My husband fell ill and died. So his husband died at 35. His brothers tried to take away our farm. They beat me badly and said I was a witch. Some good people saved me. We fought a case against those who beat me up. At the age of 40 years, I saw a police station for the first time. When I was 45, I learned to read and write. 2 years later, I got my eldest daughter married. Now I'm 50 years old. I enjoy playing with my grandchild. 2 of my children are studying in school. So this is the timeline of this woman. We'll see what questions are asked. Some things that happened in her life are given below. Mark these on her timeline. For example, when she was 5 years old, Petki broke her foot. So we marked it as 5 years old. Lost one goat at the age 10. Got married 15. Had her 4th child in 24. First saw a police station at 40. Learned to read and write 45. Eldest daughter got married at 45. So here first A is marked and B at 10, C at 15, D at 24. See 24 you have to mark it like this. Then E, F and G. This is how you should mark a timeline. So first draw a line. You can make it 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So then you can mark ABC accordingly. Mark on the timeline when she was born. So she was born in the blank box. Draw a picture of Petki as a newborn baby. So newborn baby, you can draw a picture like this. Make your own timeline. Ask people around you and mark at least one thing that happened each year of your life. So you can also make your own timeline. So at what age you went to schooling. So what happened when you are 4 years old, when you are 5 years old, when you are 6 years old, when you are 7 years old, you can just mark. Make timelines of people you admire. You can also make timelines for people you admire. It can be your family members, friends, teachers, or any other leaders. You can make timeline like this. Next, one day in the life of Kusum. Let's see what Kusum does every day. So we know what is a clock. So this is a clock given. Some pictures, the time already written, and you must draw hands on the clock. In others, you have to write the time shown by the clock. So Kusum gets up early in the morning. So the time is 6. So you have to write 6. She brings water. The time is 6:30. She cleans the house at the time 7:30. She goes to school at 8 o'clock. She is studying in school at 10 o'clock. She comes back from school at 1 o'clock. She takes a lunch with her brother and grandmother at 2 o'clock. She plays with a friend at 5:30. She listens to a story from her grandmother before she sleeps at 9 o'clock. This is a one day life of Kusum. So now you're going to prepare your own chart showing your daily routine. So you're going to write 6:30. So in words, you're going to write the time. So you're going to mark 6:30 here, and then you're going to write what do you do. Wake up. I wake up at this time. Then you can write at what time you bath, at what time you have breakfast, at what time you go to school, at what time you have break at school. So at what time you will have lunch, at what time you come back home. So you can write the time. So bath would be 7 o'clock. 7. So you have to mark here 7. Breakfast would be some 8 o'clock. So 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. So you have to mark 8. Then school would be 9 o'clock. So you're going to mark 9 here. Then you will be having a break at 10:30. So by 10:30 you will be having a break. So you can write 10:30 here. Then lunch would be at 1 o'clock. So 1 o'clock lunch. Then you will reach the school from school to home by 3:30 or 4. So I'll write 4 here, 4 o'clock. So this is the activity given. So you have to prepare your own chart showing your daily routine. So chapter 7 Max class 3 ends here. If you have any doubt in the basics of time, clock or calendar, I have made a separate video. I'll give that video link in the description box. Please go through that. You will understand this chapter very easily. Hope this video is useful and understanding. Thanks for watching.